My name is Geraint and I'm studying Catering and Hospitality in Newtown College. I enjoy cooking and tasting my own food in the kitchen and experience the whole vibe of working in the catering and hospitality industry. Back in high school I studied catering and I honestly fell in love with it back then, and then went on to doing work experience in the kitchen, which then I thought about and I decided to take catering and hospitality in Newtown College as it would help me benefit in the future for catering. Working in the Metropole, you've got a lot of hours, you've got a wide variety of staff from all over the place, and I'm lucky to know one of the ex-head chefs, Tony Burgoyne, who works as one of my tutors in Newtown, and it's a lot of hard work working in the catering industry, and I have a lot of respect for the people who do it at such a well pace. For the future, I'm hoping to go travelling around Europe, visit some of my favourite places that I want to go to, like Italy, experience some of the Italian foods, and then hopefully work for some big chefs, and then eventually open my own restaurant and show the whole world what I've got. I would recommend catering and hospitality, as catering and hospitality is just such a good course, and you get to express yourself, show your creativity, make new friends, and really strengthen the bonds with them.